news coverage from the nation, world, business, sports and entertainment. Watch the news live as it breaks on our high-quality live channel streaming. Share your views, be a part of NewsX's ever-growing community on Facebook and Twitter. Connect, converse, interact. newsx.com.
Technology is constantly surprising you. We just make sure it will be for the best. Technology updates, gadget reviews on Tech and You at these times on NewsX.
Hi everyone, we're back with all that spicy and juicy squeezed just for you from Tinseltown as we bring you That's Entertainment. I'm Gitanjali Prasad and I'm going to take you through all that's buzzing in Bollywood and Hollywood. And here's what you can expect in our action-packed show. Rakhi Sawant takes the word Nautanki several notches up with a new item song. Sanjay Dutt turns Chatur Singh's 2-star. And a look at the sizzling hot Kim Kardashian. Amitabh Bachchan is back to make the common man crorpatis in the 5th season of Kaun Banega Crorepati. Here's getting you a sneak peek from the launch of the game show in Mumbai, where a girl got lucky as she played KPC on the hot seat with the Big B.
Priyanka Pereira from Indian Express. How about the right after Priyanka? पैलेस की बालकनी में सार्वजनिक तौर पर 2 बार क्या किया? What did Prince William and Kate Middleton publicly do twice on the balcony of Buckingham Palace on the 29th of April 2011? इसमें हंसने की कोई बात नहीं है। न जाने आपके मन में क्या क्या चल रहा है। तो भाई सार्वजनिक रूप में क्या करेंगे लोग? पब्लिकली।
Kaun Banega Crorepati has come a long way. Let's take you through the journey of the game show right from its inception a decade ago.
No. पागल है क्या? डॉली, मेरे हाथ में पैसा है।
What a player! तो प्रफुल्ल जी ये बताइए क्या प्लान है आपका इतनी भारी रकम?
Kaun Banega Crorepati is coming back with its favorite host Amitabh Bachchan this Independence Day.
नहीं पता, पर किस से नहीं करेंगे ये बहुत अच्छी तरह पता है।
Season 5 promises to bring in some fresh elements and a chance to win big bucks from home.
कोई भी इंसान छोटा नहीं होता।
थोड़े बहुत छोटे मोटे परिवर्तन इस सीजन में होंगे। उसके बारे में जानकारी अभी मैं नहीं बता सकता क्योंकि मुझे स्वयं उसके बारे में नहीं बताया गया है, लेकिन केवल इतना बताया गया है कि कुछ छोटे मोटे परिवर्तन होंगे जो दर्शक प्रोग्राम देखेंगे घर बैठे बैठे, उनके लिए भी बहुत सी ऐसी सुविधाएं शायद बनने वाली हैं जहां की वो भी कुछ खेलें साथ में और कमा सकें।
एंड वेलकम बैक टू कौन बनेगा करोड़पति। ब्रेक पे जाने से पहले आमिर खान के साथ
It was a decade ago in 2000 that the inception of Kaun Banega Crorepati, the Desi version of the UK game show Who Wants to be a Millionaire, took place in India.
Tenzing Gyatso को हम किस नाम से
Amitabh Bachchan took it upon himself to make millionaires of the common man.
उसके बाद जवाब दिया सी दलाई लामा। आमिर आपका जवाब बिल्कुल सही, आप 25 लाख रुपए जीत गए। वेल डन।
At a time when Bachchan's own boat was struggling to stay afloat.
मैंने ये निर्णय लिया कि मुझे टेलीविजन करना है। उस समय कुछ निजी परिस्थितियां जो थी वो ठीक नहीं थी मेरी, और मेरे पास फिल्में नहीं थी, काम नहीं था, और कोई ये प्रपोजल लेकर के आया और मुझे लगा कि ये एक अच्छी चीज़ है। पहले मुझे यकीन नहीं हुआ कि मुझे टेलीविज़न पे काम करना चाहिए या नहीं। घर के लोग और परिवार जितने भी हमारे एडवाइजर्स थे सबने ये कहा कि टेलीविज़न आपको नहीं करना चाहिए।
ऑल द बेस्ट यू। चलिए हमारा चलते हैं 2 करोड़ रुपए के लिए। ऑल द बेस्ट यू।
5 years later, in 2005, KBC bounced back with its second season and the prize money doubled to 2 crore rupees.
देखिए सज्जनों, मेरे सामने बैठे हैं तरुण बंसल, traveler at heart, is a 20-year-old B.Com.
The show came to an abrupt halt as the Big B fell ill.
क्राइम वगैरह की जितनी भी चीजें होती हैं उसमें बहुत शौक है।
जब तक कुछ थ्रिलिंग नहीं होगा मजा कैसे आएगा?
In 2007, taking into consideration Shah Rukh Khan's superstardom, the actor was roped in to replace Bachchan as the host.
मैं चाहूंगा कि ये दोनों यहाँ पर सिर्फ इसलिए आए हैं कि मेरी हौसला अफजाई हो, और क्योंकि ये हमारे सीजन का आखिरी एपिसोड है। So Salman and Katrina, are you ready to play कौन बनेगा करोड़पति?
चलिए खेलिए यार।
But the unprecedented ratings achieved by Bachchan in the previous 2 seasons of KBC plummeted rapidly and the show's curtains were drawn.
ऐसे नहीं भागने देंगे सलमान तेरे को।
स्वागत स्वागत स्वागत।
The 4th season of KBC saw Amitabh Bachchan making a comeback to the show.
बहुत ही खूबसूरत मेहमानों का बहुत बहुत स्वागत। हर दर्शक जो इस वक्त मुझे देख रहा है उसे मैं अमिताभ बच्चन विनम्रता पूर्वक प्रणाम, नमस्कार, आदाब और सत श्री अकाल।
It premiered on 11th of October 2010, his birthday, and ran a successful stint.
Thank you.
This is amazing, absolutely amazing.
क्या करेंगे आप इतनी भारी रकम का?
And now the wait is for the 15th of August when Kaun Banega Crorepati is back to make us crorepati.
तो याद रहे देवी और सज्जनों, कोई भी इंसान
Entertainment Bureau, NewsX.
छोटा नहीं हो।
Be it on the small screen or the big one, there is immense hype and hoopla around the Big B at the moment. Prakash Jha's film Arakshan seems to be a trouble magnet after protests from political parties and social activists. It now faces a legal tangle. Here are all the details.
आप लगातार इस टीम के अनुशासन
सर,
को
बाहर सारा समाज एक ऐतिहासिक उथल पुथल से जूझ रहा है और आप बस सोच रहे हैं अनुशासन।
इस तरह बात नहीं करेंगे आप मुझसे।
Prakash Jha's film Arakshan is in fresh trouble after the Madras High Court stayed its release anywhere in the world.
मगर उनको 7 खून माफ है सर।
It's got nothing to do with the contents of the film. Instead, Jha can now only release the film after a dispute with the Chennai-based financier Sushil Gupta for a sum of 3.25 crore is settled. A press release by Prakash Jha says the check bouncing issue is between Firoze Nadiadwala and Sushil Gupta. Arakshan will release worldwide on August 12th as per schedule. And the film's producer Nadiadwala too gives his version. His office says Firoze Nadiadwala is resolving the issue with Sushil Gupta. But controversy continuously plagues even the star cast. Actor Pratik Babbar was at an event for his other film My Friend Pinto, but was quizzed about the Madras High Court order against Arakshan, and Pratik skirted all controversy neatly.
को शायद पता होगा मद्रास हाई कोर्ट ने आरक्षण का रिलीज रोक दिया है. So what do you want to say about that? It's okay. It's his movie.
Questions only regarding My Friend Pinto.
And so did veteran actor Amitabh Bachchan, who too plays a pivotal role in the film. After all, who wants to buy more controversies when the film is under so much trouble already? With Shobna Nair in Mumbai, Kumar Gaurav to NewsX.
अच्छा, हमें मेहनत का पाठ पढ़ा रहे हैं आप? आपके खेत जोते हमने, आपके फसलें काटी हमने, आपके मवेशी चराए हमने, आपके जूते सिए, पैल हाके, नाव चलाए, आपके घरों की गंदी नालियों की सफाई की, यहाँ तक कि आपकी टट्टी भी सर पर ढोई हमने। हमें मेहनत सिखाएंगे आप?
After a long time, Sanju Baba is getting up to tickle our funny bones once again in his upcoming comic caper. No, we aren't talking about his next Munna Bhai flick, but Chatur Singh 2-star. And as far as Munna Bhai Chale America goes, we asked if at all he's aware of the rumors of Amir replacing him as Munna. Sanjay Dutt is hell-bent on making sure you roll out of your couches as he turns Chalak Jasoos. Well, that's the novel from which his next comic caper, Chatur Singh 2-star, has been inspired. The film is a perfect recipe for rib-tickling comedy. And now that Sanju Baba has mastered the art of comedy thanks to his iconic role as Munna Bhai, it should come as a second nature, isn't it?
टाइमिंग बहुत जरूरी होता है कॉमेडी में एंड मेरे साथ सुरेश मेनन थे, वी गॉट सम अनुपम खेर साहब हैं, सतीश कौशिक साहब हैं, तो सब यू नो पीपल विद टाइमिंग एंड आई थिंक बिकॉज ऑफ दैट इट वर्क्स.
भाई अमेरिका में अपनों को एड्रेस पूछेगा तो अपन क्या बोलेंगे? धोबी घाट.
But there have been speculations for a while that Amir will be replacing Sanjay in Munna Bhai Chale America. Is that so?
Come here. बोलने को उधर जा. पहले उधर जाने.
आपने मुझे न्यूज़ दी है, मुझे अभी तक तो मैं ही हूँ और अरशद है. अगर ऐसी कोई बात होगी तो डेफिनेटली मुझे पता चलेगा. Love for Munna Bhai with the people, with the audience, with the families is something beyond anything, and I feel I'm lucky to be Munna Bhai.
Simple है यार.
Now that comes as a relief. For us, it's you who will always remain the endearing Munna Bhai. Sanjay even clarified his war with Salman after he was apparently offered the role of Salman's father in his upcoming flick Bodyguard, which angered Sanjay.
कोई लड़ाई नहीं हुई है, मैं 50 टाइम कह चुका हूँ. वो मेरा छोटा भाई है, वो मेरे घर आया था, तो हम लोग लड़ाई क्यों करेंगे? I've been raised that the film industry is a family, and this is my family, and I love everybody. I'm not into that kind of PR exercise where I'll say that I had a fight with Salman just because of Big Boss. You know, I can never have a fight with Salman.
Really, we agree. Munna Bhai can never fight. After all, he's the modern-day preacher of Gandhigiri, isn't it? With Abhishek Datta in Mumbai, Entertainment Bureau, NewsX. Now here is a sum for you. Worry not, if your mathematics isn't all that great, it's quite simple. What is controversy plus Nautanki equal to? Any guesses? Well, the answer is Rakhi Sawant. Who else? She did it again, full on tamasha. Rakhi is back as an item girl. Abhishek Datta caught up with her and dug out full on drama.
Well, if you think I'm a bad petty player, well, that's because there's ultra hot Rakhi Sawant standing in front of me, and whenever she's there, the fingers go haywire. Rakhi, why do you do this to the men all the time?
What am I doing? Because of my costume, because of my sexy kamar, you're saying, good na? Good for you, if you're losing. That is my work because I'm doing my one-off item number.
What is it particularly that Rakhi Sawant, who calls herself the original item girl, looks...
You know, all Janta knows I'm the original item girl. Come on, Sheila and Munni, and both are following me, you know.
Okay, so what is it exactly that in a particular song you look forward to that, okay, I should be doing this item song?
Because it's a very good song. Okay. And that is a song about this, Lattu. Lattu ghuma de re chora, kamar pe lattu ghuma de re chora. जिस तरह ये मैं इसे लट्टू को घुमाती हूँ, उसी तरह मैं इस आइटम सॉन्ग में there is 80 dancers background में and 100 crowd है.
So how many men have you actually ghumao-fied like a lattu in your whole life?
My whole life? Come on, I'll kill you. No one. I don't have that much of time to ghumao all the men.
Okay.
I don't have that much of time. I'm very much busy. I love to do my reality show and I love to do my item songs.
Jalebi Bai, before Malika Sherawat was your song, but then you didn't do it, and what do you have to say? You regret?
I don't regret. The song has become totally gone. It's flop. Jalebi. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर मैंने वो song किया होता ना तो hit हो जाता.
But Malika has been claiming everywhere that she is the actual original item queen of Bollywood.
कहाँ से? She's lying. She's lying.
Okay.
I don't think so.
Now I've got a peti on me and you're in this beautiful outfit, so let's see how you could perform in that song.
You want me to dance? Yeah. You want me to give all Indian thumkas?
there are a lot of notes out here, 1,000 and 500.
Yeah,
so I think you've,
there is more.
I think you've done a fantastic job. Okay, so I'm gonna make you wear this. You
वाह
deserve all
मुझे
this.
वोट कीजिए like मायावती जी. नमस्कार. What is
Why
this?
is it that